we have fashion balls by Mini Brands. And what series are these, honey?
Series 1.
Yeah, I think you're right. Okay, well you can have your 4 balls. They're so annoying to unwrap. Do people enjoy that?
Probably to stop kids from shoplifting.
Oh yeah. I'm so excited because I'm excited to get more shoes and more handbags for my Barbie. This is my bag. Oh my god, I got a Lady Dior bag. What did you get? Oh my god, honey, you got the Louis Vuitton. Is that the Never Full?
Yeah.
Bitch, you got the Never Full and I got the Lady Dior.
Well done.
Oh my god! What the hell? That is so strong. That started so strong.
Alright, we can pack up and go home now.
But I don't need to open anymore. Now let's open our 4 little mini surprisey things. So I got a sticker.
I got a sticker too.
Oh, you've got the Balenciaga City bag. Is there? Oh, that's right. Because one time I did get a Chihuahua. Oh, I've got more sunglasses. You can never have too many.
Speaking of Chihuahua.
Oh my god, another Chihuahua! You are so friggin' lucky. Let me have a look at the thing. Oh my god! Those 2 are rare.
Wow.
Those 2 bags we got are rare, are they?
Yeah.
No? Can
No.
you find the rare? Irony. Oh my gosh, so I already have the little beige Chihuahua, now I've got the brown Chihuahua. What else did you get, honey?
I got...
Makeup!
Yep.
That's
or a
so
hand cream
cool.
or something.
Yeah. What is it? Well, I actually got this little tub of, I suppose it's moisturizer.
Yeah, looks like it. Nice.
And it comes with a working lid. And because I have the closet, it matches my closet.
Nice. And then I got this, it looks like a deodorant perhaps. Oh, no, it's a lipstick.
Wow, that's a big lipstick. Whereas I got this, which is... Oh my god, honey, I want the Tiffany ring. There's a Tiffany box.
We're going to get it in one of the other balls.
I'm not sure what this is. Another lipstick. But this one's got the black tube.
Nice.
Wow. Honey, that was so friggin' good. We got 2 great bags. I don't think they are the rare ones. That's because it says, can you find the rare ones? But I think these are the rare ones.
Yeah, okay.
But still, I hope I get a city bag, honey. And I really want the Louis Vuitton bag.
Yeah, with the white and...
Yeah, because
Coloured
surely
symbols.
it must be easier to get. It's like a Louis Vuitton bag. Another one.
Sorry, I've been speaking over you.
That's okay, honey. I'm putting this on YouTube, so there's really not going to be much editing.
Excellent.
Oh, let's open our bags first, honey, because I just can't handle the excitement. Oh, see, I've already got one of these. The little leopard. Actually, it looks like giraffe or cow. Oh my god! Now we have 2 Lady Dior's.
Iconic.
Oh my god. And that's good because I've got multiple personalities, don't I, darling?
Yes.
Because I actually do have 2 Barbies that are me.
Yeah, so you could be twinsies.
Yeah, I can twin out with my...
Imagine if there was 2 of you. Like...
Yeah. Remember, did I tell you the story of how when I was a kid I used to, like, imagine that there was 4 of me? And they all had different personalities?
No, I don't remember this.
I think I've told you that. So it's like that.
Is this how we got to today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have blue glitter all over you, honey. I really like the look.
Thanks.
Stickers.
You're going to laugh.
I got a Chihuahua. Did you get the same thing?
So goddamn hard. Because I literally got the same pack as what you got. I got the sunnies.
Oh. Yeah, so I got more sunnies and another makeup brush. But you know I can never have too many makeup brushes, honey.
And then I got the face cream.
Oh.
And then legit I got the black lipstick.
Yeah, so is it literally the exact same?
Exactly the same as what you got last time.
Isn't that friggin' insane? I'm gonna wait for you, honey. Now let's open our bags, honey. If I get another one of these Lady Dior's, I'm gonna laugh. I got another one!
Are you gonna have the same things in the other pack? Oh!
Oh, honey, what is this?
It's a sack.
It's a sack bag. It could also be Louis Vuitton. That's actually quite a good tote, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, do I have the exact same things? Well, I've got more sunglasses. Yes, I've got the exact same things again, honey. I can't believe that they are this repetitive.
Diabolical.
Oh, that's a pretty Lady Dior. That's the gold one.
And then more sunnies.
Oh!
And I got another cream. And then I got a compact.
Wow! And it has a mirror. Love that. And as for me, I have a cream and the black bullet lipstick.
You could literally have a collection of lipsticks on your vanity.
Yeah. Exactly. I can put a lipstick in each bag. Like what I do in real life.
Exactly.
I'm actually scared because I think I have the Lady Dior again. Yep.
And I got...
Oh, I thought you had something different. Okay, guys. I literally have 4 Lady Dior's now.
Oh my god, you could have a bag store.
Oh my god, I can make a bag store. You're exactly correct.
Yeah.
Well, honey, I will say at least you got a never full.
Yeah.
That's what I will tell you. And do I have the same again? At least I switch up the sticker. Oh no, I got a gold sticker.
A little baggy sticker.
Yeah, nice.
And we got our sunnies, face cream, and another compact.
Must be. I like that we're hoping for like a different colour. Because I got the sunnies and the lipstick and the cream again. Well, hopefully the next series is not as repetitive.
Yeah.
Oh! Not my creams.
Good catch.
Not my creams. Mwah.